Hi, my name is Ryan Grasso, and I'm the VP of Product and Engineering here at Datalogz. Today, I'm going to walk through our platform control tower and show you how it can be used to address BI sprawl in your organization. Business intelligence sprawl is one of the biggest hidden challenges facing modern data teams. As organizations scale, dashboards, reports, and datasets multiply across tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik, leading to duplicates, outdated content, rising costs, and security blind spots. Just simply cataloging your problems isn't enough. Datalogz Control Tower helps companies take control by centralizing visibility across all BI tools, surfacing issues and risks, along with providing BI admins convenient workflows to enabling action. In this demo, I'll walk you through how it works and how you can use it to bring order to your BI environment. Connecting your BI tools to Datalogz is simple and secure. The Control Tower platform is SOC 2 compliant and only requires metadata to be extracted. Datalogz does not touch any of your actual data. Whether it's Tableau, Power BI, or Qlik, the onboarding flow is designed for quick setup with built-in flexibility. You can monitor connector health, manage multiple environments, and centralize all your BI metadata in one place, making it easy to get started and stay in control. Datalogz monitors are automated alerts designed to identify and surface key issues across your BI environment, helping you manage across our core pillars defined by industry best practices. The monitor summary page provides a centralized view of all active alerts, making it easy to track and prioritize issues across efficiency, cost management, security, compliance, and data quality. It helps teams stay proactive by surfacing trends and anomalies in one place, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Datalogz default monitors are provided out of the box and focus on providing alerting based on BI industry best practices, from identifying unused reports and failed refreshes to flagging orphaned assets to reduce costs. Built-in monitors help surface key issues fast. You can also create custom monitors tailored to your company's needs, whether it's around usage, security, or compliance, giving you full flexibility to stay ahead of BI sprawl. Datalogz goes beyond traditional monitoring by also aiding in the last mile of execution. When an alert is triggered, all relevant metadata is automatically captured and organized in the alert side panel, providing full context and ensuring the right people are notified when something needs attention. From there, teams can take immediate action through built-in workflows that integrate seamlessly with tools like ServiceNow, Slack, or custom scripts. Whether it's generating a ticket for an orphaned report, notifying the asset owner, or automating a cleanup task, Datalogz enables true closed-loop governance, bridging the gap between issue detection and resolution. The Insights page provides high-level dashboards that offer a comprehensive view of your BI environment, including asset inventory, usage patterns, and stale content. It surfaces platform trends such as user activity, types of data connections, and content growth over time. This page is designed to answer questions such as, how many assets do I have, who's using them, and what's unused. It also helps identify duplicate datasets across the environment and includes functionality to detect similar reports based on their common inputs. The Insights page helps teams quickly pinpoint inefficiencies and opportunities for optimization while offering a detailed drill down into the full metadata landscape of their BI environment. Thanks for watching. At Datalogz, we're on a mission to make BI environments smarter, leaner, and more secure. Whether you're scaling analytics across your org or just trying to get visibility into what's being used and what's not, we're here to help you take control. Ready to see what Datalogz can do for you? Schedule a demo or reach out. We'd love to chat.